Hi and welcome back to my channel, Digital Tool Case. We are in the middle of the summer and today I want to make you a gift because the tool I'm about to show you, it's completely free, forever free. There's no affiliate links, nothing. It's absolutely free, but I think it's a great tool, so I want to show it to you. It's called Snapt and it's a URL shortener, but not only. I know that there are many URL shorteners out there. The most famous, I think, it's Bitly, but Bitly have a free plan and then a paid plan. In this case, this is completely free, but as you will see, it contains a lot of advanced features that you can find only on paid tools usually. So let's get into Snapt. Okay, I'm inside Snapt. If you want to subscribe, it's free, it's not an affiliate link. You can find the link here below my video. This is a gift I want to make to you in this summer, but I only ask you for one thing, and it's a like to this video. It costs nothing. It will help me to grow my channel. So click on the like button, please, and maybe subscribe to my channel if you appreciate this wonderful gift. Now, this is a URL shortener tool, but not only, because as you can see here in this menu, you can have bio pages, QR codes, statistics, links, you can have campaigns, you can have custom splash pages, you can have a Cta Overlay, you can have tracking pixels, you can have branded domains here inside, all for free. And it will be free forever. As you can see here, Snapt is now owned by Chris M. Walker and is a superstar SEO, a legit property, so I think this tool will grow very well. You only have one little caveat here, and you can read here: we are currently manually approving links. As soon as the link is approved, you will be able to start using it. This is to avoid spam links, and this is for your link safety, obviously. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, it's empty because I don't really have any shortened links at the moment. I just tried to make one some weeks ago, but I just to see how it works. So here is where you paste your long link. So let's paste here a long link, a normal link, so I can show you how it works very quickly. Let's say I want to shorten this link. I can select many options. Here I can select if it's a single link or a multiple link, because I can also create more than one at the same time. In this case is a single. I can click here and select many options. For example, my domain, the standard domain here is snapt.io. If you connect your branded domains, you can use your personal domain here. You can redirect direct or a frame or splash or with a Cta Overlay. I will show you this feature later. You can place your custom alias here. For example, this is a link for a Jasper AI review, so I maybe can call it Jasper. Okay, this can be, for example, my alias, and this will go here, so it will be snapt.io/Jasper review. I can also password protect my link. I can choose if I want a link expiration. I can choose a description, and then I have many other options here. For example, I can insert some meta tags in this link, some geo-targeting if I want this link to work only on specific states, for example, and where to redirect other users. I can choose a device targeting if I want to target with this link a specified device. I can also insert pixels, so for example Facebook pixel or Google pixel, you can configure them from here, from tracking pixels, and then you can also add some parameters, so UTM parameters, for example, if you want to track this link. Usually the free tools out there doesn't have all these options for free. They are maybe paid options, but here it's all for free with Snapt. This is where you create your short link, then you will shorten the link with this button, and you will need to wait a few hours because this will be manually approved. Usually in the same day you get your link approved. And this is the basic function of Snapt. But as I said, this tool is very, very, very complete and comprehensive. For example, you can create your bio page by clicking here, create a bio page. For example, you can create your bio page for Instagram or for TikTok. You can choose your alias here, your URL here. You can upload your custom avatar, and you can add a link or content into your bio page. Many affiliates use this kind of pages to add, for example, links to their product. So let's try very quickly. Let's call this a test in this case. Let's leave this avatar, content, social links, so you can in your bio page insert any of these social links. Appearance, you can choose the appearance of the bio page. As you can see here, you can see a quick preview. Let's try with this one, advanced, meta title, meta description, so you are also SEO optimized. In this case, you can password protect your bio page, you can insert your targeting pixel, and also insert your custom CSS, so you can change the look of your bio page as you want. Add a link or content, for example, you as you can see, you can insert a heading, an H1, test bio page. Again, these are features that you usually pay in other tools, and here they are free. I can see here a leader preview, so for example, I can insert an image. If I want, I can insert some text. Let's try to insert, for example, a social link if I want to insert. So for example, let's insert my Facebook page. Okay, I can't find a submit button, but I think it's already there. So as you can see, it also generated a QR code that you can share with your followers, for example, or in your ads, in your videos. Why not, to promote your bio page. You can change all what you want here. I'm not really an expert in this case, but I think you are better than me in doing this kind of thing. As you can see, I generated a test page, so I can, for example, copy this link. Let's try to open it here. So imagine this is your your bio page with this Facebook link in this case, but you can insert what you want, as you can do in other paid tools. And this is the bio pages part of Snapt. Then you have QR codes, because every link, you can create your QR code for your links and for your bio pages. You have many options here, and maybe sometimes it's very useful to share your QR code instead of a normal link, let's say. This is another thing you can do here. You have your statistics, so you can see the link clicks and so on, where they comes from, and so on. Again, it's not all, because here you can even create some campaigns. What is a campaign? A campaign can be used to group links together for various purposes. You can use the dedicated rotator link, where a random link will be chosen and redirected to among the group. You will also be able to view aggregated statistics for a campaign. You can create a custom splash. What is a splash page? And as you can see, you can create unlimited number for free of all these things. A custom splash page is a transitional page where you can add a banner and a logo along with a message to represent your brand or company. It's something like a bridge page, for example. You just need to click here, create a custom splash. You can decide your parameters here, so link to a product. If you want to generate a custom splash for an affiliate product, for example, you can upload a banner, you can upload an avatar, you can write your custom message, you can also insert a counter and so on, a custom title. You will play with this when you subscribe to Snapt. You can find the link here below my video. Again, it's free, it will be forever free. There is no affiliate link in this case, it's a gift, so please click on the like button if you like this tool and what you are seeing. But it's not all. I want to show you another very good thing, and it's the Cta Overlay. Again, here you can do a Cta Overlay for free. It's incredible. An overlay page allows you to display a small, non-intrusive overlay on the destination website to advertise your product or your service. And I would add here any link you share, even if it's not from your site. Let's say you want to share a viral article, for example. You can add this overlay above that article when people will click on the link you share. You can also use this feature to send a message to your users. You can customize the message and the appearance of the overlay right from this page. As soon as you save it, the changes will be applied immediately across all your URLs using this type. Please note that some secured sites, as google.com or Facebook, do not work with these features. So you will not be able to place this Cta overlay above a Facebook link or a Google page, but you can do it I think with any kind of site or link. Let's say you want to share a Medium article, for example. I suppose with Medium this will work. So you will create your Cta overlay. It's something like this. This is just an example. You can write what you want. You can insert your logo, your link, and so on. So when people will click on your shared link, they will see this little overlay on, I think, the bottom corner, or maybe here you can customize bottom right. In this case, you can choose where this will appear in that page, even if it's not your page. But if they will reach that page with your shared link, they will see this. And you can promote what you want. So this is very useful, for example, if you share links on social networks or on TikTok and so on, to insert your call to action in quite any page you want. Maybe I'm not really able to explain you well how this CTA overlay works, but I can assure you it's a great feature. Maybe search on YouTube on how this CTA overlay work if you don't know it, and you will be surprised that you can do it for free here inside Snapt. Again, the last things I want to show you is the branded domains. Here you can connect your personal owned domain. You can insert all your tracking pixels, so you have Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, Twitter, AdRoll, Quora, Pinterest, Bing, Snapchat, and Reddit. Again, you have teams. You can add your team members here inside Snapt. Okay, I think it's all. Again, it's free, so you can subscribe. It will be always free. Don't worry, there is no affiliate link, so just click on the link here below, subscribe to Snapt, and try it by yourself. And I hope you will appreciate this summer gift. Again, you can thank me for this if you want with a like to this video, and maybe subscribing to my channel, and maybe share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when I will release new videos. It's all for now, and see you soon in another video.